Let's look at how to use your personality as a competitive advantage. Think about the types of projects that you like to build. Perhaps you're the type of person who loves to negotiate. It's part of your DNA. You like to get stuck into complicated projects and negotiate the way that they're going to be built and the amount they're going to be built for. Or you're more comfortable in a hard bid environment, maybe in a public environment versus a private environment. Think about where you build. Maybe your personality drives you to want to work in an urban environment and be involved in large projects that are going to be clearly seen. As you cross the Bay Bridge going into San Francisco and one of your buildings is going up there and you can point and you can say, I built that. And you get a real kick out of that. And you can't necessarily explain it, but it's part of your personality. It's part of the personality of your organization. On the other hand, you may be perfectly content in a less dense environment. And you don't want to spend your life in the city. That's the personality of the people who are working in your organization. So you think about how your personality should drive your strategy.